Hi everyone, it's Cindy from Shenandoah Paper Crafts, and I'm here to show you what started out to be just a simple birthday card for my mother. She just turned 88 years old, so she's not really into journaling. She just likes to look at pretty pictures. So I made this very simple for her. She doesn't have to open a lot of things up or do anything but look at the pictures. And it was supposed to be like a one signature kind of a card thing, but look what happened. It's 3 fat signatures. The spine ended up being 2.5 inches, and it's made out of chipboard from the backs of legal pads. And I've printed off a lot of, the theme is a flower market, so I printed off a lot of old paintings and photographs of flower sellers, flower markets, and just covered it with a little bit of lace and tied it with this net bow. So let's take a look inside. There is some little buttons down here. Let's look inside and see what we've got for Mom here. So I just made a simple bow, nothing fancy. And we open it up to page 1, and as I said, it's her birthday. I added a few vintage greeting cards in here. So here's the first one, and it has a simple pull out of a bicycle with flowers on it, which she loves this type of thing. The kits I use, this first kit is from the Journal Boat. I got this kit on Etsy because it was so pretty, and it matches the other kit I'll tell you about in a minute. But again, with the floral theme, flower market, that kind of a look. My mom really enjoys that look. But this is hers as well, the Journal Boat. Here's a picture of a early 1900s flower seller. And a little cluster with a stamp I made on a doily. A seed packet. I made this just a little flip book with some papers if she does want to jot down a few notes, what's on TV tonight, that kind of thing. And a picture of a lovely flower seller in there. Music sheet. Another bicycle. It's just a card that comes up if she wants to write something. She can write on the back. And I did a little collaging on here. This, I think, is Artie Mae's. She always has such beautiful collage pages. Now, I went to town with these little puffy stickers because they're tactile for my mom. My mom can feel them. All through the book, I've got these little pop-up stickers. They're really cute. You can see I've used most of them. They're from the Dollar Tree, and they're all raised 3D stickers, and I just used most of them up here. Here's a tag I made, and another one on this side. Here's a giant pull-out card. This is Anne from Old Lucina Scrap. She made this beautiful kit. Let me show these to you. This was the inspiration for this book. She did a 3-page, one in lavender, I think, one in pink, and one in blue, of these flower carts and bicycles. It's all in French. And she has little ephemera pages that go with it. And if you subscribe to her page, I'm sure she has a link to these freebies. The one from the Journal Boat, I didn't keep any extra pages because I used them all. But she also has little ephemera to go with these pages, which is really cute. So that's what I'm using. I'll go through here some more. Another vintage painting of a flower seller. One more pull out up here. Oh, this is cute. Little 3D sticker. I like the black and white stripes against each other. A couple of bookmarks. She does go through her magazines and she likes to mark things. So I've put a lot of bookmarks and tags in here so she could mark her magazines. This is avocado dyed paper, which I made a ton of. And some more little bookmarks or tags. Another flower seller here. This is a vintage postcard of, what is this? Holland. A Holland flower seller. So here's that. And another little card here. Couple tags. This is from the Journal Boats kit. This is the back of the first greeting card, 1958. To Jose from Megan? I can't read that. And another little pull-out card with flowers on it. And again, this is Oldacina in lavender. Journal Boat. I made this. This is a little bit of Heather from Ruby and Pearl's French invoices back there. I've done a lot with her stuff too. Some Shasta daisies. Here's a large journaling card. More avocado dyed paper and bookmark. This is Artie Mays, again with the beautiful collages. Little envelope with a couple little things in it, a couple little cards in it. And this pulls out again. Flower shop. The center of the book has this large card that it's in reds and golds. I love that color scheme. And another pull-out card. And behind this picture, I pulled a little dictionary description of a sunflower. Artie Mays again. Here's another Victorian era, maybe, London Life at Piccadilly Circus flower seller. This is the old flower market at Disneyland. I don't think it's there anymore, but I remember as a kid going through here and looking at all the beautiful flowers. This is 19, I can't see the date. Anyway, 4 cents, whenever 4 cents was. A couple of lavender and yellow cards for her with yellow lace. Cluster. Another card. Another little collage on here. Here's a milk bottle bookmark. And here is a bottle cap that says to return all bottles daily and wash them. Here's another birthday card, which I have a pull out here. Some zinnias. Here's a pretty lady. Little tag. This is a paperclip roses that comes with another bicycle. The reason there's all these bicycles in here and why it's attracted to me, her favorite planter is a wrought iron bicycle that's painted aqua, and it's all chipped and rusted from the rain now, but her neighbors still love to say how much they love that planter. Here's another flower cellar. I just cut this image out and put it on there. Here's a pocket from lace. Artie Mae's again. I just scrunched up some ribbon and put it on the edge. And another bookmark and some pretty tulips. This is Edith Holden book page. I've made a very shallow pocket to put anything in. It's got some nice poems Mom might like, including one about June. Here is a third vintage postcard. This is San Francisco flower seller, street vendor, San Francisco. Another tag I made with some trim on it, and on the back there, another tag. And the back side of that greeting card with one more tag inside of it. And that is Mom's 88th birthday card. Thank you for watching.